Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 30 March 2024. In this video, let us generate weekly reports. Even before that, a small announcement, please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training videos are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. I kept all the videos in a playlist supply demand zone price action course. Even I have provided the link to this playlist in this YouTube video description, and you click the link, you will get into this page and then scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here, starting from lesson 1.1, all the training lessons are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen your skills related to supply demand zone price action. Even I have provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in that channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock Software's Supply Demand Zone Top-Down Analysis Strategy Builder. So we will be generating multiple reports for weekly time frame. So entry time frame is weekly. Let us find the stocks where price is near to the weekly demand zone. So these 8 stocks are filtered. Price is near to the weekly demand zones. I will be giving you only few seconds time to watch this report, and then I will move on to the next report. So what you need to do, just pause the video and then you can study these parameters. If required, you can also draw these zones on your charts, and after that you can further proceed with this video. So I'm going back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks near to the weekly supply zone. So these 6 stocks are near to the weekly supply zone. Let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks where price closed inside weekly demand zone. So this is the filtered list. I will scroll down. You need to pause the video. Don't forget, please. So total 32 stocks are filtered where price closed inside weekly demand zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks where price closed inside weekly supply zone. So this is the filtered list. Let me scroll down. So total 29 stocks are filtered where price closed inside weekly supply zone. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the tested zones, weekly demand zones during this week. So no weekly demand zones are tested during this week. Let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the tested weekly supply zones during this week. So total 16 supply zones are tested. So let me go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the newly created weekly demand zones during this week. So these 18 demand zones are created, weekly demand zones. Even Nifty 50 also a new demand zone is created, weekly demand zone. So let us go back. For weekly time frame, let us find the stocks having newly created supply zones. So no supply zones are created during this week. Now we will identify the weekly zones having a weekly EMA confluence. So entry time frame is a weekly. We need to find the stocks having new EMA confluence. But here we have two conditions. Is it demand zone confluence or is it supply zone confluence? That is very important. And moreover, demand zone confluence, always you need to look in the uptrend. And supply zone confluence, you need to look in downtrend. So that is the reason why we will also select the trend. We have a trend, zone violation trend. So weekly time frame, I am selecting the uptrend. And here we have a parameter EMA confluence. So in this parameter, weekly time frame, I am selecting demand zone with a weekly EMA confluence. WEMAC means weekly EMA confluence. So now we are looking for demand zone, weekly demand zones. Because we selected the time frame weekly, by default the demand zone is a weekly demand zone. And moreover, we are selecting in the weekly time frame. Okay, now with these conditions, trend is up, weekly demand zone, because the EMA confluence should be used only in the trending market. You should not use in sideways market. So we got a big list. Good number of stocks are having EMA confluence and also the trend is uptrend. So total 35 stocks are filtered. You may ask a question, is it possible? Can we further reduce this list? So we do one thing, we have two types of trends. One is zone violation and another one is the pivot high lows. The candle higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, equal high, equal low. You know, you already learned, right? In your training lessons. I clearly explained this concept. So based on that trend also we will see. Both the trends should support up. If both are supporting up means it is a strong indication. That means these zones trend calculation is perfect if both are supporting same. Now let's generate from 35 how many will be filtered. Let us check. So this is the list. Now total 24. From 35 the list is come down to 24. So analyze these 24 stocks. Even here Reliance is also having the major giant. This is having EMA confluence. But still overextension is there. The reason is here the price is 2,971. Here zone high is 2792. Close to another 200 rupees down, then overextension will complete. And then it will be entering into the demand zone, weekly demand zone. Currently, weekly overextension is there for Reliance. That way you need to understand these reports. If you draw them on your charts, you get more clarity. Because I am having comfortness to read these reports. Just looking into the report, I am telling you the picture how it could be. But better always you draw on the charts. Okay, this is about EMA confluence. So stocks are having a weekly EMA confluence and trend is uptrend. Always look into the search criteria. If you have any doubt, always read this, the search strategy. This is the strategy we applied for filtering the stocks. That is the power of our NeoStock strategy builder. You can build advanced strategies also by using all these parameters, by providing different combinations. Okay, the next one, what we do? Supply zone EMA Confluence. So entry time frame is weekly, but here one point we forgot. We need to select demand zone. Mostly you get the same stocks, but it is a good practice always. See, same 24 you got, but it is always good practice to select entry zone. So anyway, now entry time frame is a weekly. Entry zone is a supply zone, and in trend, zone violation trend, I am selecting down, and pivot high low we will select if list is more. For time being, let me keep any trend. We don't bother about this. That means we are not setting this trend. Currently we are setting this filter. Zone violation is a down, and in EMA Confluence weekly time frame, instead of demand zone weekly EMA Confluence, now I am selecting supply zone weekly EMA Confluence. So how many supply zones are having weekly EMA Confluence? And also the trend should be downtrend. We got only 6 stocks. See here, you know what is the meaning of this dark color? Red color, dark red color. Compared to the normal supply zones red color, this zone is having dark red color. That means it is a all-time low zone, supply zone. Previously we have seen a dark green color means all-time high demand zone. Exactly the same way the dark green color indicates it is a all-time low supply zone. Okay, this is about EMA Confluence, how we filtered the stocks based on EMA Confluence. And in the final report, let me show you the complete list of all the stocks for your reference purpose. Somebody might be having your favorite stocks. You want to know what is the position in that particular stock. So that's why the final list, the reference list will be helpful to you. For all the 199 stocks, I will generate the report. Is it 199 or 198? Okay, anyway. So I'm selecting the entry time frame as a weekly, not adding any filters. Directly I am filtering all the stocks. So complete list is there. We need to scroll down. But even before that, first 17 in this list are indices. They are sectorial indices are there. Several sectorial indices. So I keep on scrolling this list down. So what you need to do, you just need to pause the video. Whichever the stock you want to refer, there you pause the video. So I'm scrolling down. I'll be giving you only few seconds time for each scrolling. So total 199 list. Hope this information will be useful to you for our further study and analysis. So let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.